I get to dive into what Fort Wayne Metals can do with regards to custom assemblies. So custom assemblies at Fort Wayne Metals is really an engineered to order solution. As the name suggests, we are providing custom solutions to our customers. These items are typically built to your specifications, utilizing Fort Wayne Metals material and processing expertise to help guide your design decisions. We have a team of over 10 new product development staff to work with you to find a solution to meet your design needs. This team of engineers and technicians supports hundreds of new designs annually, ranging from a simple cable with a crimp to very complex multi-component assemblies. We're able to build these to handle small prototype runs of a few, 10 to 15 to 50, or all the way up to very large production volumes. Since a lot of what we do is proprietary and customer specific, I'm not able to provide you with a lot of options or examples of what we do. However, I did want to walk through and spend a few minutes covering some of the capabilities we have from end treatments on our cables and wire. As you can see on the screen there, fused ends is a technique to cut wire cut cables while fusing the filers to prevent fray. This is an inexpensive way to finish and is good at preparing the cable for another step in your assembly process. Next would be a bead. Beads stand proud of the OD of the cable. Typically, beads need to be less than 2x the OD of the cable. Beads are used as an attachment to another assembly component or maybe a mating component inside your device. We also provide a bead and swage. This is a bead like before, however, it's swaged down with some of the techniques we've talked about prior to create a cylindrical area of solid material. This is good for passing down aluminum, or also provides a good surface if you need to conduct a welding next step. As Connor mentioned, we can do square ends as well, so we can produce a nice clean edge. This is a great solution if you have a mating component and that edge is very critical to the geometry of your device. We can also do coining, as you see near the bottom there. This is a flattening of the wire. This can be completed at the end or in the middle of the wire, and this is typically used as an attachment point, specifically in overmold applications. We have a plethora of other options as well, additional end treatments like deburr, bullet nose, band welding, etc. If you have any of those thoughts or need help there, please reach out. We would love to point you in the right direction. We also have the ability to produce several fittings as well. Many of those fittings are matched to meet a customer specification. Whether you need a spherical ball to fit into a spherical pocket, allowing for near full cable break strength, or maybe your design requires a cylindrical or a hex fitting to match a mating component, we're here to assist. If your application has specifically very tight dimensional tolerances, maybe the Fort Wayne Metals patented puck technology is the right fit for you. As noted too, we also have a machine shop on site at Fort Wayne Metals to handle your rapid prototype needs. We also have a number of other partners that we can utilize for maybe that longer term high volume production demands. Here at Fort Metals, we are continuing to invest in our assembly segment. As Matt mentioned, we have added to our assembly facility last year. In addition to the square footage, we are continuing to add to our machine capabilities as well. As you can see here, we've acquired or built several machines. These include automation of assembly, grinding, laser welding, or upgrading from standard pneumatic to servo-controlled presses for better precision and repeatability.